Hey guys, if you want to get started with YouTube and want a quick checklist, here it is. The first and foremost step is to decide whether YouTube is your passion or you are just going with the trend. Because अगर YouTube आप सिर्फ थोड़े फेम के लिए चाहते हैं या आपको लगता है सब बना रहे हैं तो मुझे भी करना चाहिए, तो रुकिए, वहीं ठहर जाइए, आप स्टार्ट ही मत कीजिए क्योंकि YouTube requires patience and consistency. और अगर आप सीरियस हैं YouTube को अपना सोर्स ऑफ पैसिव इनकम बनाना चाहते हैं तो ही स्टेप नंबर 2 पे प्रोसीड कीजिए. Now comes the step number 2, which is to decide your video niche. Choose on which topics you are interested and will be making content in future. The third step is common one. Yes, of course, you have to create your YouTube channel by signing into your YouTube studio, getting your YouTube unique URL, description, banner, profile picture and other mandatory settings. After that, you can move on to the step number 4, which is to take your camera, tripod, content idea and get started with your shooting. Once you are done with your raw video, here comes the role of video editing. Now you have two options here, either to choose AI editors or to manually edit your videos according to your preferences. Don't forget to add hashtags and keywords in your videos. So guys, that was it for today. I hope this will help you get started on YouTube easily. Comment down and let me know which checklist you want in detail.